And thank you for joining us for this carrier update with Donnie Gilbert. As always, what do we have in the freight markets today, Donnie?
Well, over the past few weeks, we've seen some declines. Volumes kind of come down here over the past week, and we've seen rejection rates. Now, what I'm looking at here in the blue is outbound tender rejection rate. So drive-in, reefer, flatbed, everything together, along with the volumes as well. But we still look at it here. Volumes have dropped to 15,000, almost still 15,900. Rejection rates are still above 20%. So even though we've seen a lot of declines, the freight markets are very healthy for carriers right now.
It's all relative, isn't it?
True. But what's good for carriers, not so good for shippers. So right now, carriers still control the markets. When it goes into rate negotiations, they still hold a pretty firm lead over that. They're going to come down less than shippers are going to have to come up when negotiating these rates. So still a very, very strong carriers market.
Is this the calm before the storm? We have 70 ships out anchored in San Pedro Bay, out on the West Coast. That freight's moving in. There's holiday freight around the country too.
That's a whole dangerous situation, and what's happening in LAX right now because the railroads are already full. They can't take any more capacity. We kind of saw last year, I believe it was, is they were moving a lot, and then they kind of filled up, and obviously it all bounced out and went to I need a truck now. I need teams. It needs to move across the country fast.
We're still there right now.
But it's going to start earlier this year because they're already full, and it's everybody's freight that's out there on the water now. We're about 27 ships. Now we're at 70, and here if it takes just a couple of days per ship to get unloaded, and your number is 70, it's 140 days.
It is.
You've missed it.
You missed Christmas.
You missed it.
You missed it.
And so that's a very dangerous situation. That it's I kind of talked about where I think that this rush, there's a lot of people that probably already have their Christmas goods in warehouses here in the U.S. They're going to start their Christmas sales early, so that it may start the Christmas season a little early, which is almost now. And then, of course, these people that are late is going to extend because they're trying to get their goods to the store before Christmas Day after missing Black Friday. And so it's going to be, we're at the end of the calm before the storm. The storm is coming very soon.
Very soon.
Very soon.
Fall's coming very soon. Winter's coming very soon.
It's here.
It's here, isn't it?
Yeah, snow's falling in Montana and Colorado.
It is.
Wyoming. So that's the first time I've heard snow. I saw somebody build a little snowman. So let's jump in this right quick and break it down by drive-in and reefer.
We are out of time for this carrier update, but we will be covering this throughout the weeks and leading up to everything.